Hi, my name is Una Began. I am one of the lecturers involved in the Civil and Structural Engineering programs here at TU Dublin. We've made this short video to tell you a little bit about civil and structural engineering, but more importantly to hear from our students on their experiences in the program. We hope you enjoy.
Civil engineering is all about creating, improving and protecting the environment in which we live. Civil engineers plan, design and construct the infrastructure which forms the backbone of our cities. Some engineers specialise in the design of buildings, such as hospitals, schools and office blocks in multi-storey buildings, whilst others focus on highways or road networks or on water supply and treatment, ensuring that the water we drink meets key safety standards to keep us all safe and well. Our built environment is our only environment, now and in the future, and civil and structural engineers are committed to sustainability. Here at TU Dublin, we ensure that our engineering students have the skills they will need to solve the Sustainable Development Goals. Generally speaking, the work of civil and structural engineers combines site work and office work. Consulting engineers tend to focus on design, whilst site engineers look after construction and site management. Civil and structural engineers work on projects that involve multidisciplinary teams, including architects, quantity surveyors and building engineers.
The project that we're working on at the minute is a design and build project. It's a design of a bridge to span 6 metres. First we have to analyse it, we have to find out where the forces were. At the minute we're building it and next week we're going to test it.
It's probably the closest thing in the whole course to actual engineering, like what we're going to be doing when we actually qualify. Like when we qualify, we're not going to be sitting in lectures taking notes, we're not going to be in a lab doing experiments, we're actually going to be out building projects and working on projects.
I chose civil engineering because I had an interest in all aspects of the engineering, but civil really stood out to me because I loved working with structures. I had such an interest in making things that benefited people in general. I'm really interested in how broad it was as well and how it travels really well, because it's wherever you go, civil is always the same and mechanics and structures are always the same.
My favourite subject, I have to say, is maths. I just love maths. I like just solving problems, and I love the feeling when you just get the right answer.
A lot of people say oh, if you don't like maths, don't do engineering, but I don't love maths, but you get used to it. You're doing maths non-stop the whole time, so you kind of just forget you're doing maths after a while. And also people talk about how hard it is, but it is very hands-on.
They know you all by name, you can ask them anything, you can see them outside of class if you have a problem, you have their email address.
I'd say to any girls doing engineering, I'd say go for it. It's really fun, you get to meet a lot of people.
I would give any girl a heads up to do it. I think it was a great decision for me. I think there's a lot of people out there who will say it's just for boys, but I think it's brilliant and I think you shouldn't let that hold you back at all.